My video guide is about removing the ransomware that is called Eyrv. This particular ransomware is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. The ransomware is able to essentially damage the files that the customers store on their hard drives. The ransomware does not allow customers to open their files anymore. Of course, before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening the files. But this Eyrv ransomware is able to damage all the files completely. So, what happens is that after the ransomware actually attacks the system, it encrypts the files and adds a special Eyrv extension. Customers might turn their computer on someday or restart the computer and suddenly realize that they can no longer access their data. This is because the ransomware has encrypted and therefore damaged all these files that are stored on the system. So when you try to open this specific file, you get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Eyrv extension. Some people would think that removing the extension manually could fix the issue, but sadly this does not work. Removing the extension does not repair the file and you still cannot access the file. First thing we recommend you to do is to go to the task manager, look for suspicious processes running in the background, right-click on them and end their task to stop the further file encryption. This could help you save at least some of the files from being damaged by the ransomware. Now, speaking about removing the ransomware, I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. You may get it on the official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download Combo Cleaner button, download the installer, install the application, and then start researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available. So click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper malware detection. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching and investigating your computer. This scanning may take place several minutes depending on how infected your computer is. The good thing about Combo Cleaner Premium license is its feature called anti-ransomware, allowing you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against the ransomware attack. But keep in mind that this feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of the scanning, you would see the summary of the threats revealed during the scan. We strongly advise upgrading to Premium in order to delete all these threats automatically, and this is the best way to keep your files always safe and secure and protected in the future.